What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're in Delray Beach and we're walking into DJ's house. We're gonna teach the little one here how to either drive a jet ski or drive a boat, because DJ has 2 jet skis and a little boat. What's up?
Welcome, guys, come on in.
What's up? Cheers. Well, cheers.
Too late. This is from Publix. This is the one I told you. I think I bought this before.
This lemonade's delicious.
No, I bought this one before. No. I haven't bought it.
You never bought this one for me. Huh?
You'll notice that's a little bit more difficult to steer left than it is right.
Okay.
So when you're steering left, just use the knob, it's easier, I mean, so you can your hands not sticking in front of
Alright. I'm not even gonna go fast. I'm gonna watch you guys eat shit. Pass me this.
It's a little far, but stay on it.
A little?
You can step on. You can step on the circle thing if you like, and then hold on to it. So put your right foot in the circle. Or you can kind of put your left foot over.
If I fell, you could have got it on YouTube though.
Come on, babe, you're driving.
I'm driving?
Yeah. I don't know, babe. Is the battery on?
I don't know where's the battery.
So we're gonna be taking the boat and the 2 jet skis to the marina, because we're gonna be putting them on trailers and we're heading to the Keys. Right now we're in Delray Beach. We're probably 2.5 hours from the Keys, from Key Largo. So I'm doing them a favor and helping them drive the boat, but I figured this is the perfect little boat to teach Missy here how to drive.
The current? Take it that way.
You gotta read the current. Yeah, you gotta read the current. You gotta know how to work the current, or have the current work for you.
Listen, what I need you to do is get here and let me be
No,
the
no,
camera
no,
girl.
no. You're not being you're always the camera girl. You're driving the boat today.
Babe.
We're gonna start you off on this, and eventually you can drive the Checkmate. But I gotta know you know how to drive this.
It's a car. It's different.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. 100%.
The Checkmate, no, it's not. Just because I have a half foot.
It's like driving a car.
No, it's not. You still gotta know the current. You still gotta know all that. Wow, look at this beautiful thing. Whew. Thing's gorgeous.
Sir, please don't leave my side.
You're the captain.
Please don't leave my side.
What'd you say?
If something happens to your boat, you instead you're gonna buy you a new one.
Here, take it. Can you drive by holding a camera at the same time? You think you can? Alright, just hold it, point, talk to it, do whatever you want. Don't put it on.
What's going on, everybody? I got some content for you guys.
Let's go.
Let's do it. GTX 300. Let's do it. little too gnarly. We're gonna have a great weekend. I'm super excited.
You're docking it.
Luis,
You're docking it. But I'm controlling the throttle. But you're docking.
I'm not talking.
You're turning the wheel. I'm controlling the throttle. I've never seen him back anything up before, so.
Yeah, get on One dude was there for like 40 minutes trying to back in. Am I on?
Yeah, you'll definitely be on Bull Vibes on YouTube.
Watch.
I think you're about good right there. Sit, don't go all the way up. Yeah, you're gonna. Right there is right off. Maybe you should take that trailer and bring
She wants to try to do it. So, I mean, let her try, but she's
You
kind
gotta
of,
come this way.
yeah, she can figure it. She's gonna jack. You gotta.
Just let her be. She'll call you in now. Good job, Bubba. Sorry, Jonathan. Don't get nervous. I don't need an issue. You have plenty of issues. Is everybody off?
Yeah, go slow, go slow. Good job.
Press on it, press on it.
Good job.
Slow and steady wins the race.
You're doing good.
Good job. Those are some good-looking skis.
What?
That's those friend lost his truck.
Look back in town.
That sucks.
Yeah.
They got cooler T-Flock clicks over there, huh?
It looks great on in the trailer. I guess it's the new trailer. It makes it look
Yeah,
neat too.
yeah.
You know?